There are wounds that belong to a single family, and there are wounds carried by an entire culture. This project exists to name both. The daughter wound is not a diagnosis. It is a framework, a way of understanding what happens when girls and women are repeatedly separated from safety, attachment, identity, belonging, and truth. It begins in relationships, but it rarely ends there. Every wound has two dimensions. The first is personal. Families, relationships, childhood, attachment. The second is systemic. History, culture, institutions. The stories societies tell and the voices they erase. Neither dimension can be fully understood without the other. Here, we examine the personal, the micro, trauma, estrangement, grief, identity. Not to assign blame, but to understand what happened inside the people who lived it. The macro. Then we step back, because individual stories never exist in isolation. They unfold inside families, communities, institutions, and cultures. The macro daughter wound asks a different question. What happens when an entire society forgets how to hear women? The goal of this project is not despair. It is recognition, because people are not born broken. They are interrupted. And what has been interrupted can be repaired. This is a place for research, for testimony, for difficult conversations, for evidence, for grief, and ultimately for repair. I'm Debra Lee. Welcome to the Daughter Wound Project Sanctuary and Archive, where truth doesn't require permission. Witnessing grief, naming the lie, demanding repair.